So of course they got clothes as well.
Hello.
How are you doing?
Fine, and you?
Oh, I'm very happy. I was in May filming Harley Davidson in London.
Oh right, no, you decided to come to Paris and do it here.
Yeah.
To film a British person. Very good.
Very rare.
Doesn't happen every day.
No,
does
no,
it?
no. I try to speak Spanish with everybody here. It's easier. Anyway,
Oh,
I
right.
shouldn't be talking, so I'm filming. But anyway, it's all
Anyway,
good fun.
There you go, yes.
I'll put some music on it.
Oh.
I'll cut our voices out. Look at that. You can have all
Okay.
these t-shirts. Even your child can get dressed up as a
Yes,
Harley.
even get a Harley baby.
A Harley baby.
Everybody should make one, don't you think?
I tend to agree with you. My neighbour has a Harley.
Yeah. Right.
Oh, it's lovely.
Okay.
And they're very special, the shops, Harley Davidson, because they really have the merch and everything. It's
Yeah.
London one's beautiful with a museum.
Yeah.
Evil Knievel bike.
Oh right.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.